Not all traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're seeing that gold is gearing up for another record high. It's broken the 2750 area, which we're just hovering above at the moment, just touching a little bit above that from the early Asian session. And this is all on the back of Donald Trump saying that he will probably start imposing tariffs on China from February the 1st. So not too long to go, roughly about 10 days time. Let's just pull the gold chart back onto the daily chart at the moment, because I just want to show you the intense increase in gold. A lot of traders were optimistic that the dollar would fight back. The economy's going to be doing a lot better, but we're going to actually have a little bit of a setback until that happens. Donald Trump is looking to impose a lot of tariffs. Inflation is expected to creep a little bit higher because of it. So we are expecting possibly another slight move to the downside for the dollar, which we saw yesterday. We'll look at the dollar index chart shortly. But at the moment, as I said, gold gearing up for all-time highs. Not too far away from it, to be honest. If we think of roughly about 2780, 2775, roughly was the last peak. We're trading trading close to 2760, so it's only roughly about $20–25 away. So it could start really gaining traction in today's session. We're going to wait and see just how much of a move that will be overnight. But if you look up the daily chart for yesterday's trading, we popped over, confirmed over 2700, and then moved over $50 in one day. So quite a substantial move. And we're just looking now, as I said, from the time we were in October to November, just seeing if we can reach those particular peaks at the moment. So not too far away. Is gold going to set another record high? Well, let's just take a look on intraday where we were before on the 4-hour chart. Just seeing now that price action is just slowly creeping up. As you can see here, wave after wave of potential upside, getting higher highs, lower highs as well, which is very, very important when we're gaining traction. And now we're just seeing this next move. We are expecting a slight dip, but then we can expect possibly another move to the upside depending on today's data coming out of America as well. Obviously, Donald Trump is constantly on the microphone in the last couple of days, setting his agenda out, potential moves in the market, really, really playing out now. And let's just take a look, as I said, on the dollar index, because we've had such a momentum shift at the moment. If you think back, we were trading roughly $110 before the inauguration, and now we are starting to really see this particular sell-off and a gap in the market. What's worrying me about this particular gap is that it could actually act as a runaway gap. When we get gaps in the market and we see that they don't get filled straight away, we could see this as a runaway gap, and it could actually start moving even lower. Obviously, dollar dives, gold starts moving higher. So we'll probably look at what the potential factors are, where we're going to next, and what's in store for both these big assets in the market going forward. Is inflation going to creep up? Are the Fed going to start cutting rates earlier? Are they going to hold off? Is the economy going to go into a nosedive at the moment? We'll have to wait and see. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in technicals and fundamentals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.